We've got another vocabulary and context question. We read from the start. For her 2021 art installation, Anthem WT, just using the initials, joined forces with singer and composer Beverly Glenn Copeland to produce a piece that critics found truly blank. They praised T for creatively transforming a museum rotunda into a dynamic exhibit by projecting filmed images of Glenn Copeland onto a massive 84-foot curtain and filling the space with the sounds of his and other voices singing. So we know it was praiseworthy and it was creatively transforming. So we're going to just highlight that for clear reference and find an answer choice that matches that in context for the blank. Restrained would really be a tone reversal. It would not be transformative. So A is out. Inventive absolutely would match creative transforming. Choice C, inexplicable. Well, no, that again is a bit of a tone reversal. Mystifying, again, a tone reversal. If you don't know at least 50% of the words in the choices for one of these harder level difficulty vocabulary and context questions, you'll probably just want to guess, skip, and move on, and of course add those words to your vocabulary review. But of course, if you know all of the terms here, you would have selected B and